Okay, you guys, so here we go. This is the ribs all out. 10 pounds of ribs, you guys. This will feed us for probably 4 meals. It is absolutely pull apart perfect. Look at that, nice and tender. It's juicy. Here is my dinner right here. I made some asparagus, some beans, and pork. So there you go. Look at how easy that was. 45 minutes in the Instapot, and you have an easy and a delicious meal. So if you didn't see me watch this video, look up at the left hand or the right hand corner, and I will put the link to the video in here, and you can go and watch this. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget the word of the day on the main video to enter my subscriber giveaway coming up in mid-May, the 8,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, you guys.